Hi. Welcome to the WIX website builder. In this video we will show you how to change the layout of your mobile social bar and how to change your Google Maps mobile settings. We are in Mobile Editor. At the beginning of the page, we see social bar. Select it and icons will appear above. Click on the layout icon and the social bar layout window opens. The first slider we see is used to determine the size. Drag the slider left or right and determine the size. You can also type the exact dimension. On second slider we can define the space between the icons. Drag it left or right, or type the exact space. The third setting is used to determine the way the icons will be set. Select horizontally or vertically. When you make this change, the appearance of the mobile version of the site will change, so you need to set up the social bar in the right place. Just drag it to where you want it. I will return it to the horizontal version. Close social bar layouts and changes will be applied. Changing your Google Maps mobile settings. Select a Google map on your mobile website. Icons appear above the map. Then click on the settings icon and you will open the Google Maps settings window. Here you can change some of the map features. First, show map and satellite views. Your visitors can switch between map and satellite views of the map. Then, you can turn off or turn on the zoom option. Show Street View control. Your visitors can use Google Street View. Allow dragging. Your visitors can move around the map by clicking and dragging. We can also change the language used on the map. Click the drop-down menu and select the language you want. Close the Google Maps settings window and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it helped you.